this is a simple example of how to do scrolling text with either Vegas or Vegas Movie Studios. Right now I'm setting up my video on my video track, and then I'm going over to the Media Generator tab and I'm choosing my text that I want to be the scrolling text. First thing is I'm just going to set up my text size here and put in my wording, my scrolling text. Then I'm going to jump over to the placement tab here, and I'm going to set up two keyframes. First keyframe will be the start. Second keyframe will be where I want the text to end up. So I want the text to start all the way to the right here off the screen. And you'll notice it created a diamond at the very beginning of my timeline. Now, when I start scrolling this text over to the right, it created a keyframe over here where I put my cursor on the timeline. That's going to be the ending point of where I want my text to end up. So obviously I want my text to scroll off the screen, so I'm moving it all the way over to the right. I made note on the first keyframe of where my Y was. That way the text goes from right to left on an even plane. Alright, let's see what it looks like real quick. Very basic, no background at this point. Now I'm going to set up a solid background with the media generators, and I'm going to choose red here. And right now it made the entire screen red, but I'm going to change the height of the frame to be 35, so we have a nice little bar here for the background ticker. Now I'm going to go over to track motion, and I'm just going to click here with the mouse, and then I'm going to use my down arrow and move this bar all the way to the bottom. And just get it perfect here. Okay. Now it looks like my text is off a little bit, so I'll go back into the media generated text and adjust the height of my text here. And as I'm adjusting this first keyframe, I'm making note of where my Y position is, and then when I click on the second key position on the timeline, I'm just going to change the Y coordinates, so it again is an even movement from right to left. Okay, I'm going to add a fade from on both the beginning and the end. And then let's play this and see what it looks like. This is just one simple example of how to achieve scrolling text with a simple background.